Let's keep this simple. We're a marketing agency that has helped generate over $30 million for our clients over the past 12 months. We focus on YouTube and paid traffic through Google Ads. And we think we can help your business grow. Most businesses are only missing some simple marketing processes, which prevent those businesses from reaching their goals. These invisible hurdles were what stood in the way of the $30 million we've helped generate. There's a good chance you're facing those same invisible hurdles, or lacking those components if it's not steadily growing. We are offering a short audit that helps us identify those missing pieces. It's available for free. Just click on the link on your screen to begin filling it out. Once you do, one of our marketing experts will review your information, research your competition, your keywords, and your business, and we will contact you with a full marketing strategy that helps you overcome those hurdles. It's totally free and there's no commitment to work with us. You can take this strategy to anyone else and have them do it, or you can even implement it yourself. We just want to help get America on its feet again.